Hello? And are you going to stop? Nope. Lima Bravo X-ray 5213. I got to get through this stop sign so I can race to get to the stoplight. Nope. Oh, good luck with that. And there it is. Doesn't even bother stopping. Freaking entitled bicyclists. I'm telling you, they give the rest of us a bad name. Self-absorbed, entitled people. Thank you. Got it. Emily M. If you have claustrophobia and or social anxiety, it's not the place for you. Why would you do that? Why would you sit there with a bunch of strangers packed in like a, packed in to a place with like a bunch of sardines? That's a shame.
Right here.
Good. Thank you. You got it.
Hi.
Little kid in a scooter that could go 40 miles an hour. You better get out of the street before playing in traffic with no helmet. There you go. How's it going? Thank you. The light's green. The light. Pay attention. The light's green. He's busy staring at me. Never mind me. Look at you. Look at what you're doing. Okay. And I'm sure it wants to play. And the next thing you know, I wind up in the hospital. You know how that goes. Sorry.
Oh, no, sorry, man.
Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Sorry. Rain. What is this?
You took too long.
Lorraine, pick up.
And that.
Yeah, that too. Good. Yeah. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Oh, there you go. One drink, two drinks, and this. Here, have a good one. Thank you. Take care.
Excuse me. What are the signs? Siam Thai restaurant is? It's called Siam Thai.
No clue. I'm not from around here.
Us either.
That's all right.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. It's back that way. That's it right here. 15702. Sir? I believe this is it. 15702. I looked it up on my phone. You've got it. No problem. Okay. Take care. It's not in English. Yeah, right through. Right on through. Bicyclists make up their own rules. A lot of them. That's why they give the rest of us a bad name. I love it. I love it. I love it. He's in the middle of a conversation, so, you know. Hey, Bob, how you doing? Oh, hey, Dave, what's up? Let me just stop in the middle of the street and talk. How's the family? How's the wife? How's the kids? Oh, everyone's doing good. Can't complain. Can't pull over and talk? Gotta stop in the middle of the road? Why are you not on your side of the street? Why? It's a student driver, but they don't know they're supposed to be on this side of the street. God. Oh, good luck with that. Why are you all the way over here? It's like this is where you are? That's where you decide to stop at the red light? In the middle of the street? Light's green. You can go now. I know you're in the middle of the intersection. Why is it? Wait, they creep up into the middle of the intersection, and then when the light turns green, they just sit there. Whoa, whoa, whoa! King Yankee Frank 2429. Maniac. What a great place to park. You see?
Where would I find cold beer?
I have no idea. I'm not from around here. Beer of all things. What do you think? Definitely an alcoholic, right? Of all the things to ask, cold beer. Phone zombie. Yep. No traffic for me. The benefits of having a bike. Don't crash into each other. Big hurry going nowhere.